Rotary oven. 3 different fuels: gas, electric and diesel. IC control panel. Thicker insulation, 304 stainless steel. Heat dissipation. Visual high temperature, resistant glass. Emergency power switch. Light on-off switch. Wind fast slow switch. Power switch. Timing control. Temperature controller. Emergency stop button. How to operate the panel. First part, preset the temperature. Second part, preset the baking time. Turn on the timer switch to count down. The final part, adjust the wind to fast or slow. Light on to see clear the baking situation. Faultless design. Briefness to operate. It takes only one person to carry an entire carriage in and out. Save more manpower. Olympia burner imported from Japan. The temperature reached 420 degrees. Good baking effect, color with clear separation. Soft lights built-in IC microcomputer. Control the alarm and anti-explosive systems. The inside and outside of the oven is stainless steel. Product testing. Wide baking range, applicable for baguette, toast, biscuit, cake, and so on. Our oven uses 360-degree hot air circulation system to ensure even bake. Excellent baking effect, so evenly colored. For more information, please contact us.